Hello mga katamsak, good day everyone there and welcome again to my channel. This is Freddy Diaz TV channel. In this video, I will show you all the eating watermelon challenge. I will not only eat watermelon but I will share with you all the meaning, history and other information derived from watermelon. In watermelon lovers out there, please watch it. The scientific name of watermelon or pakwan is Citrullus lanatus. Watermelon or Citrullus lanatus is a flowering plant species of the Cucurbitaceae family, a crumbling and thrilling vine-like plant. It was originally domesticated in Africa. It is a highly cultivated fruit worldwide with more than 1,000 varieties. Wild watermelon seeds have been found in prehistoric Libyan site of Owan Muhagyad. There is also evidence from seeds in pharaoh tombs of watermelon cultivation in ancient Egypt. Watermelon is grown in favorable climates from tropical to temperate regions worldwide for its large edible fruits, which is a berry with a hard rind and no internal deviation, and it is botanically called a peepal. The sweet, juicy fleece is usually deep red to pink with many black seeds, although seedless varieties exist. The fruit can be eaten raw or pickled, and the rind is edible after cooking. It may also be consumed as a juice or as an ingredient in mixed beverage. Considerable breeding effort has developed disease-resistant varieties. Many cultivars are available that produce matured fruit within 100 days of planting. In 2017, China produced about two-thirds of the world total of watermelons. Description of watermelon. The watermelon is an annual that has prostrate or climbing habit. Stems are up to 3 meters long and new growth has yellow or brown hairs. Leaves are 60 to 200 millimeters long and 40 to 150 mm wide. These usually have 3 lobes that are lobed or doubly lobed. Young growth is densely woolly with yellowish brown hairs which disappear as the plant ages. Like all but one species in the genus Citrullus, watermelon has branching tendrils. Plants have unisexual males or female flowers that are white or yellow and borne on 40 millimeter long hairy stalks. Each flower grows singly in the leaf axils, and the species sexual system, with male and female flowers produced on each plant, is monoecious. Male flowers predominate at the beginning of the season. The female flowers which develop later have inferior ovaries. The styles are united into a single column. The large spruce is a kind of modified berry called a pepo with a thick rind, exocarp, and fleecy center, mesocarp, and endocarp. Wild plants have fruit up to 20 cm in diameter, while cultivated varieties may exceed 60 cm. The rind of the fruit is made to dark green and usually spotted or striped, and the flesh containing numerous pips spread throughout the inside. Can be red or pink, most commonly orange, yellow, green, or white. A bitter watermelon, Citrullus amarus, has become naturalized in semi-arid regions of several continents, and it is designated as a peace plant in parts of Western Australia. They were called pig melon. Taxonomy or classification of watermelon. The sweet watermelon was first described by Carl Linnaeus in 1753 and given the name Cucurbita citrullus. It was reassigned to the genus Citrullus in 1836 under the replacement name Citrullus vulgaris by the German botanist Heinrich Adolf Schrader. The International Code of Nomenclature for Algae, Fungi, and Plants does not allow names like Citrullus citrullus. The species is further divided into several varieties, of which bitter woolly melon Citrullus lanatus stand, Matson and Nakai variant lanatus, or citron melon Citrullus lanatus variant citroides, or LH bailey, and the edible variant vulgaris may be the most important. This taxonomy originated with the erroneous synonymization of the woolly melon Citrullus lanatus with the sweet watermelon Citrullus vulgaris by L.H. Bailey in 1930. Molecular data including sequences from the original collection of 10 birds Another relevant type of material showed that the sweet watermelon or Citrullus vulgaris scarred and the bitter woolly melon Citrullus lanatus stamped and Machon and Nakai are not closely related to each other. A proposal to conserve the name Citrullus lanatus stamped Matam and Nakai was accepted by the Nomenclature Committee and confirmed at the International Botanical Congress in 2017. The wild species closest to Citrullus lanatus are the tendrilless melon Citrullus acerosus from South African arid regions and Citrullus mucosospermo sporsa from West Africa, which is also sometimes considered a subspecies within Citrullus lanatus. Watermelon population from Sudan are also close to domesticated watermelons. The bitter woolly melon was formally described by Carl Peter Tanberg in 1794 and given the name Monordica lanata. It was reassigned to the genus Citrullus in 1916 by Japanese botanists Geno Matsumora and Tekinosen Nakai. The history of watermelon. Evidence of the cultivation of both Citrullus lanatus and the Citrullus collinensis in the Nile Valley has been found from the 2nd millennium BC onward. The seeds of both species has been found at 12th dynasty site and in the tomb of Pharaoh Tutankhamun. Watermelons were cultivated for their high water content and were stored to be eaten during dry seasons. Not only as a food source but as a method of storing water, watermelon seeds were also found in the Dead Sea region at the ancient settlements of Bab Idra and Tel Arad. A number of 5,000 years old wild watermelon seeds of Citrullus lanatus were discovered at Owan Mahugyag, a prehistoric archaeological site located in southwestern Libya. This archaeobotanical discovery may support the possibility that the plant was more widely distributed in the past. In the 7th century, watermelon were being cultivated in India, and by 10th century had reached China, which is today the world's single largest watermelon producers. The Moors introduced the fruit into the Iberian Peninsula, and there is evidence of its being cultivated in Cordova in 961 and also in Seville in 1158. It spread northwards through southern Europe, perhaps limited in its advance by summer temperature being insufficient for good yields. The fruits had begun appearing in European herbals by 1600 and was widely planted in Europe in the 17th century as a minor garden crop. European colonies and slaves from Africa introduced the watermelon to the New World. Spanish settlers were growing it in Florida in 1576 and was growing grown. In Massachusetts by 1629 and by 1650 was being cultivated in Peru, Brazil and Panama. Around the same time, Native Americans were cultivating the crops in the Mississippi Valley and Florida. Watermelons were rapidly accepted in Hawaii and other Pacific islands when they were introduced there by explorers such as Captain James Cook. In the Civil War era United States, watermelon were commonly grown by free black people and became one symbol for abolition of slavery. After the Civil War, black people were maligned for their association with watermelon. The sentiment evolved into a racist stereotype where black people shared a supposed voracious appetite for watermelon, a fruit long correlated with laziness and uncleanliness. Cultivation of watermelon. Watermelon are plants grown in climate from tropical to temperate, needing temperature higher than about 25 degrees Celsius to thrive. On a garden scale, seeds are usually sown in pots under cover and transplanted into well-drained sandy loam with a pH between 5.5 and 7 and medium levels of nitrogen. Seedless watermelon. Seedless watermelon were initially developed in 1939 by Japanese scientists who were able to create seedless triploid hybrids which remained rare initially because they did not have sufficient disease resistance. Seedless watermelon became more popular in 21st century, rising to early 85% of total watermelon sales in the United States in 2014. The U.S. Department of Agriculture recommends using at least one beehive per acre for pollination of conventional seeded varieties for commercial plantings. Seedless hybrids have sterile pollen. They require planting pollinizer rows of varieties with viable pollen. Since the supply of viable pollen is reduced and pollination is much more critical in producing the seedless variety, the recommended number of hives per acre pollinator density increases to 3 hives per acre. Watermelons have a longer growing period than other melons and can often take 85 days or more from the time of transplanting for the fruit to mature. Lack of pollen is thought to contribute to hollow heart, which causes a flesh of the watermelon to develop a large hole, sometimes in the intricate, symmetric shape. Watermelons suffering from hollow heart are safe to consume. Farmers of Senjusi region of Japan found a way to grow cubic watermelons by growing the fruits in metal and glass boxes and making them assume the shape of the receptacle. The cubic shape was originally designed to make the melons easier to stock and store, but these square watermelons may be triple the price of normal ones, so appeal mainly to wealthy urban consumers. Pyramid-shaped watermelons have also been developed, and any polyhedral shape may potentially be used. Food and beverage. Watermelon is a sweet, commonly consumed fruit of summer, usually as a fresh sliced dice in mixed fruit salad or as juice. Watermelon juice can be blended with other fruit juices or made into wine. The seeds have a nutty flavor and can be dried and roasted or ground into flour. In China, the seeds are eaten at Chinese New Year celebration. In Vietnamese culture, watermelon seeds are consumed during the Vietnamese New Year's holiday. Eat as a snack, watermelon seeds are a popular food in Israel. The watermelon are locally grown and the seeds are roasted and usually salted. Watermelon rinds may be eaten, but their unappealing flavor may be overcome by pickling, sometimes eaten as vegetables stir-fried and stewed. The Oklahoma State Senate passed a bill in 2007 declaring watermelon as official state vegetable, with some controversy about whether it is a vegetable or a fruit. Citrullus lanatus variety caper grows wild in the Kalahari Desert, where it is known as chama. The fruit are used by the San people and wild animals for both water and nourishment, allowing survival on the diet of chama for 6 weeks. Nutrients of watermelon. Watermelon fruit is 91% water content, 6% sugar, and is low in fat. In 100 grams, 3 plus 1 half ounce serving watermelon fruit supplies 125 kilojoules, 30 kilocalories of food energy. Low amounts of essential nutrients, only vitamin C is present in appreciable content at 10% of daily value. Watermelon pulp contains carotenoids and including lycopene. The amino acid citrulline is produced in watermelon rind. Hello mga katamsak, thank you very much to all of you for watching my video for eating watermelon challenge. I hope you have learned a lesson. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, you can subscribe it now. And mga katamsak, God bless you all and keep safe to everyone, and see you soon in my next vlog.